Let me start solving the second problem here. Right, choose the correct option if number 52,806, 52,086, 52,860, 52,800 and 52,260 are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means what? That you know. Ascending means, so you are going to start from small number to the big number. Right. Descending means what? So big number to small number. Now here we are supposed to list out the numbers. Let me write down here 52806. Right. Then 52086. Then 52860. Then 52800. Then 58260. Correct? 260. Let us start from the beginning. Right here. This is 52,086. This is 52,806. This is 52,086. 52,860. 52,800. Let us compare from this and this. So this will become, see, 5 is here, 2 is here, right? 8 will be a bigger number. So let me write down that this is bigger number. So 52,000, not 52,000, that is 58,260. This is the bigger one, right? Now I need to compare these numbers. Now 5 is here, 2, then 8. So here it's 0 is there. That's what this is going to be the smaller number. So let me start from this, that is 52,086. 52,086 is the first one, right? The next number will be, so you can eliminate this and this also. Now you need to compare with these three numbers, that is 5, 2 is there, 8 is there, 0, 6, here 6, 0, here 0, 0 is there. So which one you are going to select? That is 52,800. This is going to be the first one and this is going to be the second one. Correct? That is going to be second one. So 52,086 is less than 52,800. Now you can eliminate this also. Now you need to compare. So this and first one and third one. Let us check out. 5, 2, 8, here 0, here 6, here 6 and 0. That's what this is going to be the third one. So 52,800, which is less than 52,806. So then which is less than 52,860. So which is less than 58,260. This is the order. So let us check out there. 52,086, right? 52,800, 52,806, 52,860 and 58,260. So the answer here is C. So you need to select the option C. This is the right answer.